This is how you wire a lighting power pack. The red goes to your switch leg on this Vive power pack. Brown here is the constant, which goes into your black. And dimming, positive, negative, it's gray and purple. Comes out of the box into the gray terminal block, and then the purple goes into the purple terminal block. Okay. The neutrals all get tied in together. The constant goes into the constant. Switch leg goes into the red. The black on the power pack is the constant, which gets tied into the constant. The red is the switch leg, which gets tied into the yellow, in this case is the switch leg. And yeah, that's how it works.